Hey babes, I'm back at y'all again with another video. So as you can tell by the title, I am back with another how-to. Okay, I'm talking with my hands and y'all can't even see what I'm doing. So today we are going to be box braiding our hair. Every year, probably about the same time, I just get tired of dealing with this. She just be a lot. So today we're going to box braid our hair. All you will need is some kind of edge control. I'm using this Murray's Edge Wax, the Extreme Hold. You'll need a rat tail comb. You'll need some kind of clips to separate your hair. I have a mirror. And of course, you will need hair. So, the hair I have is the Model Trio Pack Jumbo Braid hair. It says I feel like it had the inches on it when I bought it, but now I can't tell. I feel like it was like 20-some inches, basically. So I've got 3 of these in the color 27. Or no, I have 4 of these in the color 27. And then I have 1 in the color 2. Now, I wish I would have had 3 in the 27 and 2 of these in the 2, because I do, in the back, I like them a little more dark than blonde. And in the top, I don't like them just 27. Like, I still like to put a little bit of this up in it. But I'm going to split. I'm going to do half of it tonight and then the rest in the morning. So if I run out, I mean, I can just go to the hair store. So I'm starting off with freshly, well, it's not fresh. I washed my hair last night and blow dried it because I knew when I got off work today, I was going to want to get straight into it. I really hope y'all can't hear my computer back here breathing all hard. Whoo, child. So, yeah. So first what I like to do is split my hair into like 4 quadrants. In case you're looking at my lashes and you're like, oh girl, them cute. I did them myself. Check out my last video. I'll link it in the cards if I can remember. Had to go off camera to finish parting my hair. But let's see, I'm gonna try to turn around. So this is what it's looking like. I got my 2 quadrants separated in the back. And then I'm going to, I'm just work on 1 quadrant at a time just to make it easier. And I'm going to get 2 twists or 2 braids out of this bottom row. Grab a little bit of braiding hair. I don't want my braids really thick, so I am not grabbing a lot. And like I said, I want the bottom to be a little bit more brown heavy than blonde. That's probably too much hair. Okay. So I don't know if you can tell about thickness, but that's how much I have. Okay. Then what you want to do is, because the ends are not pre-pulled, they already look kind of decent for the most part, but what you want to do is part it in the middle. Okay. And then like separate them and then put them back together. I hope that made sense. That will also add some length to your hair as well. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to get whatever edge control you're using. Get a good amount. Ooh, let me try to turn around. I hope y'all can see this. Okay. Get it on the hair. Kind of twist it a little bit. Okay. Then now what you want to do is you want to hold the braid like this. Then pick up your hair with your thumb and index finger, okay? And start braiding or plaiting. Okay. And then after I do it a few times, I twist back around. And then I flip it so that I can twist the way that I'm braiding. Then occasionally you will have to pull through the hair. Alright, now so what you want to do, okay, is kind of separate a strand and then bring that to that middle piece that's all your hair, and then continue to braid that. See, so I said it'll get tangled, so you gotta pull through. Okay. And periodically, if you feel the need to, you can get a little bit more of your edge control and put it on the strands with your hair to make sure that it, you know, don't have any like flyaways or nothing like that peeking out. Alright, now I'm at the end. I do like to have a little bit of hair left out. I just like that. I am going to kind of cut off these little straggly ends. I'm going to cut at an angle so that it doesn't look like a blunt cut. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small piece. Then I'm going to wrap it around and tuck it in. And then pull. And then now that braid will stay until I get the chance to dip it. Alright, y'all, so it is the next morning at like, it's 8:11. I stopped last night around 10 o'clock-ish because I ran out of my Murray's. Like, it's empty. So I got up this morning at like 7 to go to Walmart and get some more, but they were out. The hair store doesn't open till like 10, and it's just not that serious to wait that long. So I got some jam. I used jam the first time I did my hair. This is like my 4th time doing it, and this lasted me 4 times, so it's not like you're gonna use it all, you know, in one sitting. But the first time I used the jam, I didn't like really love it, but I also didn't really know what I was doing, so it could have been user error. But okay, so now I'm going to, let me show y'all what I have left. Y'all can tell. This is what the back is looking like. I hope y'all can see that. Okay. So now I'm gonna work on the front, and then I'm gonna do the middle. Alright, y'all, so I am back to show y'all the final results. Excuse whatever's going on with my skin right now. But I'm finished. I do have a widow's peak that I be cutting sometimes, so that's what that is. I really like how they turned out. Are they perfect? No. My middle part is not straight. But do I like them? Yes. Are they gonna do what I need them to do? Yes. Let me show you the back. Hope that's in. And then let me show y'all, if I can. Oh, show y'all the length. So, goes past my butt. And for reference, I'm about 5'6" and a half, 5'7", something like that. So they're pretty long. Yeah. So hope this video is useful, or if you just like watching hair tutorials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.